invited by NQ Dry Tropics to meet with quite a few of the landholders that have got some of the smaller holdings that are around the Scottville area and west of Scottville Township. I guess most of the issues they talked to me about were the immediate ones of, I have a severe erosion problem here, how do I fix it up? So I'm always looking at land condition, because that can often give you a lead into why erosion problems have occurred where they've occurred. If you just go in and look at the erosion problems first up without looking at the overall grazing land management on the property, you're effectively addressing symptoms and not causes. So I'm always looking for the causes, because often if they can be addressed and then you go in and fix the erosion problems, you're fairly well assured that the erosion problems are fixable and the repair work or the rehabilitation work you will do will endure, and that's important.
Many heads are better than one, and I think that works out well with cluster groups. The Scottsville Cluster Group is a way for landholders to share their experiences, their difficulties and their opportunities in completing some landscape remediation projects with NQ Dry Tropics. Glencore partnered up with LDC in the formation of the project, and there was an initial offering of some rock material.
This here, it was all washed out. Over 2 metres deep of breakaways came through here. You could walk through the bottom of the creek and it was above your head. There was holes here where we're standing. They would have been over 2 metres deep, just big holes in the ground.
Not only did Bernie repair this wall, he also ripped along that top part there, and it's improved at no end. And we're going to have much better pasture for our cattle.
Being a civil-based contractor, to have that direct input at design stage was great, and having the benefit of NQ Dry Tropics guys listening and adapting and coming up with a very easy plan.
We learnt so much. I learnt things that I never ever knew, but I'm only sorry we didn't learn this about 20 or 30 years ago. So
it's protecting the country, yeah, it's holding your country together.
Oh, definitely, yes.
Erosion is a big thing in our country here. If you can block a gully off, it's great, because you're holding that water back in your country, and where it just runs into that damn Pelican Creek and runs out to the ocean, it's not good.
Real good job.
Yeah, good job, Jim, I think that.
Real good.
Yeah.
Real good job. Well, that gabion basket's from the geofab up.
Yeah.
So it's a big block.
Yeah.
That's to take the brunt of the hit.
Yeah,
I can see that.
Stop everything moving too.
Yeah.
I think the group here, they've learnt that NRM and project work is non-threatening, and it's a very welcoming atmosphere, and learn as you go and do it at your own pace.
It's not until you get groups of producers that have got things in common, once you get those people talking to each other and visiting each other's properties, they know what they've done at home, but they'll see something different that's been done on another person's place. And so you get that transfer of techniques and management practices that they'll go home and try. And because they've seen them somewhere on another property actually being implemented, they're that much more inclined to try them on their own property and make them work. So that's the power of group extension. I mean, it really is a good way to go.